Hi, this is Kamal Kaushal, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a trade that I took on EUR JPY. But more important than the actual trade, what I want to show you here is how you can get powerful target points from the higher time frames. Use this in your trading and it will take your trading to the next level. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so what we have here on the left is the 4-hour time frame, and I'm going to just enlarge that out. And what we had here was a Fibonacci 886 retracement right here. So as price was bouncing off that and coming down, we had a short side bias. And so I was looking at what else is going on in this area for me to be taking a trade. So if we look at the 15-minute time frame on the right hand side, we can see that that 886 retracement here is this area right here. Now notice where price came back up to, right at the regression line, and down it went. Now that's not the point that I was actually interested in. The point that interested me was right here. What we had was this 618 retracement right here. And what we also had is an A, B, C, D. Now granted, it's an awkward ABCD, and this Gartley here is not something that I would really want to trade, but it was just something to notice and something to get me interested in the chart. I was already looking for something to give me some extra confirmation to take a trade on the short side. And even though we had this Gartley formation here, it still wasn't enough for me, so I just wanted to see what else happens. Then what we got here is an A, B, C, D at the 618 retracement. A really nice Gartley pattern here. Now if you don't know what Gartley patterns are, I teach them in great detail in my Trade to Success Academy course. And you can click on the link in the description below if you want to learn more about that. But coming back to the trade, let me put the 15-minute time frame on the left and the 5-minute time frame on the right. So this 618 retracement here, this point right here is this point right here. So you can see the A, B, C, D. Notice what else you get here. You also get a flag formation here, which is breaking right here. And what we also get is a really nice MTF 270X entry in this area here, but not only here, but across multiple time frames, going from the 30-minute all the way to the 5-minute. Now that was our short, but what I want you to pay attention to is the target point for this trade. Our target point was right down here. Now what happens here? Well, if we go back to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that this low here is right at the regression line. So looking at the higher time frames to see where the regression line is gives us a nice indication of where prices are likely to bounce off, and therefore are very, very nice target points. Now granted, this is a large retracement, a large Fibonacci pattern that has happened on the higher time frame, so we may well get lower prices, we may get a deeper retracement down. But because we're taking this on the shorter time frames and we had the regression line coming in on the higher time frame, it makes sense to do something at this low right here. If not take off your position and grab the profit, then at least moving your stop to break even at the very least. Now personally, I took off everything there because there's so many opportunities that are happening in the market, especially with the MTF 270X setup, that I just want to grab my profit and then move on to the next trade. Now if price carries on coming down and breaks the regression line here, then that can indicate to me that we may see lower prices, and then I'll look for another short entry if enough things are lining up. So let me just put the 15-minute on the right side and let's just do a quick roundup. On the 4-hour time frame, we had a big 886 retracement. Then on the 15-minute, we had a 618 retracement here with a bit of an awkward Gartley going on there. We then had a very nice 618 Gartley on the 15-minute. And we had a flag formation on the 5-minute. We had multiple MTF 270X entries. And we had a beautiful target point right here at the 4-hour regression line. Now, if you want to learn a bit more about my MTF 270X setup, which is by far the most powerful trading setup I've ever come across, then click on the link in the description below, and that will take you over to my no-cost masterclass, which will show you exactly how I trade. And if you like the way I broke down this trade, it will be great if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell notification so you're alerted next time I upload my next video. And also guys, if you leave a comment down below, let me know what you thought of this analysis. Let me know if you caught this move down or if you would like to discuss any other aspect of this trade. And leave a comment down below and I'd love to open up a discussion with you. So that's it for this trade. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one.